In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can find the factorial of any number using recursion. So let me close my OBS Studio and so I'm in my Visual Studio Code. So hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how you can find the factorial of any number you need using recursion. So for that, I'm going to code in Visual Studio Code using Python. So first of all, uh, you know what is the factorial of any number. Like suppose your factorial of 5, let's suppose, and we know that it is nothing but 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by um, 3 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 1 till 1. Yeah, right. In the same way, the factorial of like suppose 4, it is nothing but 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by uh, 2 multiplied by 1. And in the same way, the factorial of 3, let's see. Um, in the same way, the factorial of 3 is nothing but 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. And factorial of 2 is nothing but 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so in this way, so let me do one thing. Okay, here and this. Okay, so this is a factorial of any number. Factorial 2 is nothing but 2 multiplied by 1. Factorial 3 is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Factorial 4 is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. And factorial 5 is nothing but the 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 1. So we can see some pattern in this. And the pattern is like factorial of any number is nothing but that number multiplied by till 1. Okay, so we can derive a formula from this like factorial um, of n, that is nothing but n itself multiplied by n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by um, n minus 2, and it is still multiplied by it is going like this and till 1. Okay, so this is the formula of any factorial. If you want to calculate factorial 6, it is nothing but 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so let me comment it down. So this is the formula, and can we say that factorial of n is equals to n multiplied by, since n sorry, since we can see here the factorial 5 is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So we can say that this is equivalent to this is equivalent to 5 multiplied by 4 factorial. Can we say yes, it is true because 4 factorial is nothing but 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so can we also say this like this is nothing but 4 multiplied by 3 factorial? Yes, this is also true. So we can also say this is nothing but equals to 3 multiplied by 2 factorial. Yeah, it's true. Okay, so can we say that factorial n is nothing but n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial uh, n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial? Yes, so this is the formula what we needed. So now I'm going to explain you the um, Python code of Factorial. Okay, so let me comment it down, and so for that I'm going to write here. So, so Factorial of number. Okay, so I'm going need to use function recursive function for that. Uh, factorial factorial of n. Okay, and it will return it will return factorial of sorry it will return n multiplied by factorial of n minus 1. Okay, so this will return. So I'm going to take an input of n. So n is equals to input enter a number. Okay, so I'm going to take an input, and now I'm going to use the print statement. Okay, dot factorial of number n is comma. I'm going to call this function called factorial n like this way. Okay, so now uh, can you see that here's a problem, and the problem is like when we call this function factorial n, so it will call itself indefinite and infinite time, because since we don't give it the base condition, so we must give it the base condition like if n is equals to 1 or n is equals to 0, then return 1. Now it's correct, and we can simply run it, and we have find factorial of 5, it is 120. So now you can see the factorial of number n is 120. Okay. Mhm. So I hope you understand today's video, and if you have any doubt regarding this factorial quotient, so you can comment it down. I'll see you in the next time. And sorry for the low voice because my throat have some problem.